Hey guys, if you want to remove lock from your CoinMarketCap application, then this video is for you. First, you just need to tap on your this profile picture here at the top right corner, then go to settings, and from here in the account section you will find passcode. If you have only set passcode for your Apple device or any other Android devices, then you can just get the passcode, or if you have added a face ID or face lock on your device, then you will get the face lock button here, so that you can disable or enable anytime you want. So it will follow the security method that you have selected or you have added for your device. So it will get all that security for this application too. So you can just tap on this toggle button and it will ask for the confirmation. Tap on disable to confirm that you are disabling the passcode or the security method from the CoinMarketCap application. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.